Alright, this is a special tutorial on how to do the core exercises. So if you want to do core stabilizing exercises that teaches you how to hold your ribs back, how to keep your belly forward. I'm doing this for my mom. Anyone else, feel free to enjoy. Alright, on your back. Alright, so the key to getting to your deep core muscles is to get your ribs to touch the floor. So the first thing is just arch your back and then press your ribs down into the floor. Then take your hands onto your lower belly and breathe in and out without losing the connection from your ribs to the floor. Give yourself about 5 breaths to learn the position. Okay. So if you've never done these exercises before, I recommend either when you get into bed in the evening or when you're about to get out of bed in the morning, just put your feet flat on the ground like this, press your hips back, and practice this breathing motion where you're stabilizing your ribs backwards and your belly is, instead of sucking in, pushing out. And 2 more breaths. Okay, now, without losing the connection, begin to march your feet one at a time, up and down. Again, you're learning to stabilize this main part of your body. This then translates into holding it right when you walk, when you run, when you swim, when you cycle, when you stand. Okay, the more we can push our ribs back, engage the deep core instead of surface muscles, the better all of your muscles will work. Your range of motion will be better. Keep marching here. Ask Grandma, I don't have any. Okay, after marching, okay, let it out. You can feel there's a space. Press your hands back into that space, okay? Here's another one you can do. Keeping your hands under here so you know you're pressing down with your ribs. Push your belly out. Bring your knees in. This is how I do my leg extensions. I make sure instead of sucking in, I'm pressing out with my belly. Slow and controlled so that deep in here is working. Bring it in, back break. Deep breath, reconnect with the floor, and do it again.
I want to go out in the centers. Yeah.
Good. Last but not least, we'll do a bridge in this position. So, push your ribs back. Belly is pressing out. Lift your hips. Then lift one leg. Hold the bridge. Bring it down, all the way down. Reconnect. Lift the hips, other leg. Last one. All right, practice that each day and you'll build your deep core muscles and it'll help you in all the rest of your abs. Thanks.